Hello everyone, now I am going to teach non-homogeneous linear differential equation of higher order type 2. So if f of d into y is equal to q of x, this is the general form of the non-homogeneous linear differential equation of higher order, where q of x is equal to sin bx or cos bx. Then what is the value of the particular integral? So here we following case 1 and case 2. So case 1 is the replacement is here d square by minus b square. So the replacement is d square by b square minus b square. This is the replacement. So particular integral formula is 1 by f of d into q of x. So here we replace q of x by sin bx. Then again we replace d square by minus b square. So this is the final answer, provided f of minus b square is not equal to 0. Similarly cos bx also. Some case it is failure. If f of minus b square is equal to 0, after replacing the d square by minus b square, it will be 0. Then we have following two formulas. 1 by f of d square sin bx can be written as minus x by 2b into cos bx. Similarly, 1 by f of d square into cos bx is equal to x by 2b into sin bx. Just we should remember these formulas. Now we are going to take one problem, one example problem, that is dq plus 4d into y is equal to sin 2x. First of all, it is in the form of f of d into y is equal to q of x. This is the general form of the non-homogeneous linear differential equation. So what is the general solution of this differential equation? Y is equal to cf plus pa. First we have to find the complementary function. Then we will go to the particular integral. So for we getting complementary function, we consider auxiliary equation, where f of d is equal to dq plus 4d and q of x is equal to sin 2x. So for we getting the complementary function, consider auxiliary equation f of d is equal to 0. For our convenience we have to write this one, f of m is equal to 0, which implies m cube minus 4m is equal to 0. So what are the roots here? I can write this one, m into m square plus 4 is equal to 0, which means m is equal to 0 or m square plus 4 is equal to 0. So I think it is having complex roots, which implies m is equal to plus or minus 2y. One is real root, another two is complex roots. So according to the rule of complementary function constructing, so here we have three roots. One root is real root, another two roots is complex roots. The complementary function is like this. CF is equal to, directly I am writing, this is m1, this is alpha plus or minus I beta. What is the formula? E power alpha x into c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Already c1 here, so that is c1 e power m1x. m1 is nothing but 0x, and it start from alpha should be 0, beta is 2. So e power 0x into, already we used c1, c2 cos beta. What is the value of beta? 2x plus c3 sin beta x, that is 2x. The simplified form is CF is equal to C1 to C2 cos 2x plus C3 sin 2x. This is the complementary function for the given problem. Now we are going to find particular integral. So what is the formula for particular integral? PA is equal to 1 by f of d into q of x. This is the formula for particular integral. So we should replace f of d and this is, I can write this d cube plus 4d into sine 2x. But according to these rules, we should replace d square by minus b square. So here we create the d square value. For our convenience, I have written this one, d into d square plus 4 into sine 2x. Again we can write 1 by d into sine 2x by d square plus 4. Now you should concentrate bracket term. It is in the form of type 2, sine bx by f of d square. So we replace d square by minus b square, that is nothing but minus 4. What will happen here? So for suppose we want to substitute d square by minus 4, it will be 0. So case number 1 is failure. Case number 1 is failure. So that we will go for second case. F of minus b square is 0. Then 1 by f of d square sin bx is equal to minus x by 2b cos bx. We can write this formula. Is it clear? Sin bx by f of d square. So after substituting, it will be 0, f of minus b square 0, so that we can use this one, this formula, which is equal to 1 by d as it is, and this is minus x by 2b. b is nothing but 2. 2 into 2 cos bx. So 1 by d into minus x by 2 into 2 into cos bx. So again we have to eliminate 1 by d. So the simplified one is 1 by d into x by 4 into cos bx is nothing but, sorry, here 2x, cos 2x. So I can write minus 1 by 4 here. We should remember two formulas. D is nothing but differentiation, 1 by d is nothing but integration. So we have following: 1 by d is nothing but integration. It can be written as 1 integral x into cos 2x dx. So according to the rule of Bernoulli extension, so we have written this one, minus 1 by 4 into uv, integral uv dx, x into integral of cos 2x. Integral of cos 2x is nothing but sin 2x by 2, minus differentiation of x is 1. Again integral of this one, minus cos 2x by 2. Already 2 is there, that means 4. Next term will be 0 because the differentiation of 1 is 0. So we can simplify this one. Minus 1 by 4 into x sin 2x by 2. So minus into minus plus, cos 2x by 4. So this is the simplified particular integral. Therefore, the general solution is y is equal to CF plus PA. So answer is y is equal to C1 C2 cos 2x plus C3 sin 2x minus 1 by 4 into x sin 2x by 2 plus cos 2x by 4. This is the general solution. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please comment on chat box and subscribe my channel. Thank you.